Hello students, class 10th, subject biology, chapter 2, how do organisms reproduce. Students, chapter 2, how do organisms reproduce, we start today. Students, in the earlier chapter, you learn about the life processes. Various life processes like nutrition, respiration, excretion, that all the life processes are essential to survive a living thing. Okay, here in this chapter we learn about the reproduction. Reproduction, a process, is also essential to continuity of life. It is not essential for the survival कि हमको सर्वाइव करने के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन एसेंशियल है. इट इज़ एसेंशियल टू कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ. जैसे अगर मान लीजिए टाइगर्स हैं तो आगे टाइगर्स की कंटिन्यूटी बनी रहेगी, है ना. अगर लॉयंस हैं तो लॉयंस की कंटिन्यूटी बनी रहती. अगर ह्यूमंस हैं तो ह्यूमंस अपनी पॉपुलेशन को ग्रोथ करते रहेंगे. सो दैट इज़ वाई it is the mode of reproduction is essential. In this chapter we learn about reproduction क्या है, what is reproduction, do organisms create exact copies of themselves, variation and its important modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, reproductive health and population control. These all topics we are learn in this chapter. First and foremost, we know about reproduction. Reproduction is a process by a new, it is a process of producing new individual of the same species by existing organism of the species. It means what? कि अगर एक डॉग है तो डॉग प्रोड्यूस होगा, एक लॉयन है तो लॉयन प्रोड्यूस होगा, एक मैन है तो मैन प्रोड्यूस होगा. So this is about of a process of producing new individual of the same species by existing organism of a species, that is parents. Reproduction help in providing stability to the population of a species because reproduction is a process by which organisms live in their population. So how the organisms create the exact similar copies of their parents, that is the blueprint. ठीक है ना. So we are looking, students, the process of reproduction result in the production of offsprings which resemble to their parents. ठीक है ना. That is, we can say, the blueprints. This means during the reproduction there must be a transfer of blueprint of the body design from parent to offspring. अब ये blueprints or body design, how to transfer from parent to, so that is about in class 9 you learn a structure of nucleus. In nucleus you learn there is about of DNA, and DNA contain all informations that passes from one parents to the next generation. So before the reproduction there is a DNA copied in the parent cell, and out of the two copies one must pass through the newly formed organism. Okay, then the variation. Because after the reproduction the organism produce, it's exactly similar or there are some changes. उसके जो कैरेक्टर और ट्रेट्स में कुछ चेंजेस जो आते हैं, न्यू डिफरेंसेस, दैट आर द वर्ड ऑफ वेरिएशन. वेरिएशंस इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होती है? It is help the organism to adapt in changing environment. It forms the basis of heredity. It forms the raw material for evolution and development of the new species. Thus variation is important. For example, अगर एक heat resistance bacteria हैं, if they live in a hot region, ठीक है ना, and maybe their temperature must increase, some of them can be survived and some can be wiped out. Thus we can say the variation is essential for the what of a species of the living things. Okay, now the modes of reproduction. Reproduction we look in the chapter of two modes. asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual, simply there is only one individual involved. इसमें वन पेरेंट नीड होता है, वन इंडिविजुअल इन्वॉल्व. एंड सेक्शुअल, this is uses two individual, that is about of we can say parents, namely male and female. Asexual, hereditary characters remain same. ठीक है, जो ऑफस्प्रिंग्स प्रोड्यूस होता है इट इज़ आइडेंटिकल टू द पेरेंट्स. एंड इन सेक्शुअल दे वेरी फ्रॉम जनरेशन, है ना, टू द नेक्स्ट. अगर हम देखें कि एक पेरेंट्स, है ना, एक ह्यूमन पेरेंट्स, उसके 2-4 चाइल्ड्स हैं, तो उन सब में क्या होगा, डिफरेंसेस आते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ एसेक्सुअल, इट हैज़ नो रोल या सिंपली मिनिमम रोल इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू स्पीशीज, वाइल sexual play a prominent role in origin of new species. So these are the differences, है ना, between the two modes of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. Now the different modes of asexual reproduction. Students will look 5-6 types of asexual mode of reproduction. In that, the first we learn about the fission. Fission, that's simple meaning to break. This further we look here two types. One, it is binary fission, and second, it is multiple fission. In binary, बाई से मीनिंग होता है टू. बाइनरी से बाई से मीनिंग क्या होता है, टू. इन बाइनरी फिजन द वन ऑर्गेनिज्म और वन सेल, ठीक है ना, लाइक इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, अमीबा, पैरामीशियम, द वन सेल्स डिवाइड इनटू टू. ओके, यू आर लुकिंग योर पिक्चर. दिस इज अबाउट ऑफ अमीबा. Amoeba, it is the nucleus in the cell. The first nucleus is divided into the two, and then cytoplasm is divided. Okay, and what forming the two daughter cell? क्या बना देता है, two daughter cells. This is the one cells divided into two, ठीक है ना, by the nucleus division and cytoplasm division. This the binary fission. The next it is multiple fission. In this the one cell divide into many daughter cells. एक सेल से बहुत सारी डॉटर सेल बनती है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल इन प्लाज्मोडियम. इन प्लाज्मोडियम ड्यूरिंग अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन अ सेल इज कवर्ड बाय अ हार्ड कॉट दैट इज सेड टू बी द सिस्ट, एंड इट इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव वॉल. ये सिस्ट क्या होती है यहाँ पर, प्रोटेक्टिव वॉल. दिस न्यूक्लियस इनसाइड दिस डिवाइड मैनी टाइम्स एंड फॉर्म मैनी न्यूक्लियाई. ईच न्यूक्लियाई विद द स्मॉल बिट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म what form many daughter cells. When the conditions come into the favor, this cyst is sprout and release the many daughter cells. So here the one cells divide into many, that we are looking into the plasmodium. The second mode of asexual, it is fragmentation. Students, fragments का meaning होता है pieces. The multicellular organisms like Spirogyra simply on the maturity of the cell, जब उनकी body matured हो जाता है, that breaks into 2-3 smaller pieces, and each piece or fragment, है ना, that grow into the new Spirogyra. So this is the fragmentation. The next one, it is regeneration. Re means दोबारा, generate means produce होना, है ना, the formation of lost part from the body. Higher organisms have no capacity to regeneration. In lower organisms like Hydra and Planaria, है ना, the fully differentiate organisms have the ability to give, है ना, rise to new individuals organism from their body part. Here you are looking the Planaria. If the body is cut into few pieces or parts, that each part can regenerate and grow into the new Planaria. Okay. So this is about of regeneration. The next it is budding. है ना, budding simply you are looking in Hydra, in unicellular yeast, है ना. तो in Hydra a bud is developed. Here you are looking the picture. It is a bud is developed. This bud is developed and outgrowth due to repeated cell. यहाँ की cells क्या होती है, repeatedly cell is divide and what form a baby Hydra. This baby hydra, when fully mature, it is detached from the parent plant and grow into the new hydra. I hope you learned this, the different modes of asexual reproduction. Thank you all for today.